Good evening. My name is Dave Kadzal, Principal of John Jay High School. On behalf of the John Jay faculty and staff, I would like to welcome you to our annual open house program. It is our pleasure to host this evening and provide the parents of the John Jay community the opportunity to meet your child's teachers, explain course requirements, grading policies, and exchange contact information. This school year has gotten off to a great start, thanks to the hard work and determination put forth by our dedicated teachers, support staff, proactive administration, polite student body, and extremely supportive parents such as yourself. I would like to introduce you to the members of the John Jay administrative team. Each grade level principal will follow your child through their 4 years here at John Jay. Please take the time to introduce yourself and make connections with them. Each of them are here to help your child reach their full potential. 9th grade principal, Mr. Jason Gallardi. 10th grade principal, Mr. Wilson Castro. 11th grade principal, Mr. Paul Albanese. And 12th grade principal, Ms. Nori Riley. In addition to our grade level principals, I would like to also introduce to you the team of directors. Mr. Kurt Jesman, Wappinger Central School District Athletic Director, Mrs. Maureen Myers, Assistant Athletic Director, and Mrs. Karen Brown, Assistant Director of Special Education. Please take the time to meet the members of our PTSA and consider joining. The PTSA has been very supportive of our school and continues to work in collaboration with us to build bridges from our community to our school. Time is limited tonight. Each class will last 10 minutes except for first period, which will last 15. Each passing period will consist of 5 minutes. I ask that if you have any specific questions regarding your child's progress, that you contact the teacher or the school counselor to schedule a conference at a later time. In closing, I thank you for taking the time out of your busy schedule to be with us this evening. The fact that you're here speaks volumes about your commitment to your child's education. I hope to have the chance to meet every one of you. Thank you and good evening.